The focus is on the male urethra, because male urethral disease is not a rare disease. People don't know about it, but we know that around 1.7 million men in Europe have acquired urethral disease and 1.3 million guys congenital disease. So in total, at least 3 million men in Europe have urethral problems that need to be solved. And currently there are some unmet needs. So we need new technology to treat these patients. There are several aspects on these challenges, and one of the aspects is, of course, that patients come too late to the doctor because the penis is a sensitive and strange organ that there's a lot of taboo around it. But when they come to the treatment, then there is also a lack of good treatment. There is no replacement tissue in the body because urologists, they try to take a graft from one side of the body and put it in another part. And it does work, but we still are lacking some important aspects to really treat the patients good. And we think that this 3D printing can really solve that issue. There are several aspects, and bioprinting in itself, it's only a technique. So it really depends on the ingredients you put in, how safe it is. So you're gonna have cells, you're gonna have material, you're gonna have some chemicals, and all these three things together define the safety. And this is also a new thing. So there's no good regulations. We have good regulations on cells and on materials and on chemicals, but not the combination of this. So this is also one thing that we're gonna do in the project. It's called an advanced therapeutic medical product. So these living products have new rules. So we have to find out how safe it is. Why we need this project is because we are lacking the real urethra. The real urethra is not just a tube, it's also an embedding, and it's called corpus spongiosum, and this can act like an airbag for the men during sexual activity, but also to protect the urethra. And we think that with bioprinting we can make this corpus spongiosum, and in that sense treat also other type of patients that we cannot treat well now at the moment.